So since I was not able to show you the Mayan ruins with my drone, I'm now heading to the official entrance of the ruins and try to capture them from the ground. And yeah, let's discover them together. I'm on my bike again, and it is located, so the entrance is located quite close to the main avenue here in TULUM, which you can see behind me. And by bike it is like a 6 to 8 minute drive, not too far. I haven't seen the ruins before, just from the beach, and yeah, hopefully we can capture some nice footage over there. Sadly, I need to return my bike today, so after visiting the ruins I need to go back to the rental and bring it back. Okay, here we go. This seems to be the official entrance. Let's see how where I can park my bike. Okay, I think I can buy the tickets over there.
Next corner right, you can park here, here and here, okay? Before the entrance of the ruins, the temples.
Okay, so left and then right.
Exactly.
Okay.
You're gonna find the parking, okay? Now, I don't know if you just want to visit the first part of the ruins that is walking, or also the second part, that part is from the beach. And then you visit the coral reef. On this reef you can swim in with the turtles, stingrays, fishes, it is coral reef. And when you come back you have reached on the beach club. You can do any of that.
Okay, what is the price difference?
150 and 750.
Okay, I think I go for the ruins. Yeah.
Okay, go left, right, park, and you buy the ticket directly there.
Okay. Okay.
You got it?
Yes,
Okay.
thank you very much. A little dragon. Wow. So guys, I arrived here at the ruins, but what I would like to try is to start my drone from here and try to fly over to the ruins, because I don't want to give up on getting these nice drone shots. I'm not sure if it will work out, but it's worth a try. And probably it's also forbidden, but I will try it anyways. Let's see if it still needs the permission to fly. It looks good so far. Yeah, I think I can fly here. Great. Let's try it. Okay guys, I tried my best, but unfortunately when you start flying the drone and enter the forbidden zone, there's a countdown starting. You have 90 seconds till the drone automatically lands, and I tried my best, but 90 seconds is not enough to fly over to the ruins. So yeah, but at least I tried everything I could, and now I will go straight to the ruins and yeah, try to discover them with my feet. Similar to the Chichen Itza ruins, it seems to be a very touristic place here with a lot of shops. So I found out that my ticket here this bracelet is not valid anymore. So I have to get another one for 58 pesos and then I can enter the ruins. Okay, I got the bracelet and hopefully they will let me in now.
You're already doing that.
Okay, so I left my bike right here at this tree, and this is probably the closest I was able to get. It is right next to the entrance, so I'm excited now to enter the ruins. Let's follow the other people. I think you get always charged twice here. One time you have to pay the fee for the national park with this bracelet here, and then another entrance fee. Another dragon here in the bush. I got the ticket. That's the entrance. Gracias.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. Guided tour, guide service. Think about it. Just 45 minutes tour.
I didn't expect so many ruins here. There are plenty of Mayan buildings, as you can see. Looks pretty nice. And right there you can already see the ocean. So let's go over there and see which view we get. People are hiding from the sun and standing under these trees because it is, again, crazy hot. I have to say they chose a beautiful place to build these ruins, like right next to the seaside. What was written on the sign says that they built this house again on top of a cenote, which is underneath to have access to water, probably through this hole over there, to have like a constant access to fresh water. And they probably used it as a crypt as well, because they found bones in the cenote. Pretty interesting. I wish I could take a break in the sea, but it's not accessible from here, unluckily. So close and yet so far. Now I'm heading to the main building here, but I need to hurry because I cannot stay in the sun for much longer.
That's the exit. Oh, let me take you that way. Okay? I'm going on a short trip, but not to see that.
Yeah, it's a viewing deck. Whew. What a beautiful color of the sea. Just amazing. The wind here is so refreshing. It's so good, feels so good. I will try to get to this platform as well, because it seems to be a good spot for taking photos. But first let's check out the main building here. So this is the main temple here. You cannot enter it, and I'm wondering where the descriptive sign is. I will walk over to another viewing deck right now, and I hope you guys like the view, like the place. I think this water is just stunning, amazingly blue, wonderful. Wow, here are so many cactus fruits, and they're pink already, so they might be ready to eat. Okay, it looks like there's one last ruin over there. These birds over there are just huge. There's one of them flying. Oh my god. He tries to catch some fish in the sea. And yeah, once they open their wings, they're pretty big. So yeah, right behind me is a tomb from the Mayans. And yeah, this is probably the last building here in this village. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this trip with me to the TULUM ruins. I think the specialty about these ruins is that they're built right next to the sea, which just looks amazing. And yeah, I had a lot of fun, but now I feel like I need to escape from the sun and get back to the exit. What a cool exit here. through this ruin here. That's pretty cool.